Right, so we are going to be looking at time, particularly adding and subtracting time. And from there on, we'll look at a few exam questions. So the first example says that an Olympiad contest began at 13:59 and lasted 3 hours 48 minutes. So when did it end? Right, so we are given that the duration is 3 hours 48 minutes, and then it began at 13:59. So what we need to do is just add the duration to the time at which the event began. So we have 13:59. So 13:59, and for simplicity, let me just write hours here and minutes here. So 13:59 plus 3 hours 48 minutes. So we add the minutes first. 9 plus 8 is 17, so 7 carry over the 1. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 4 is 10, so we have 107 minutes. And then 3 plus 3 is 6, 1 plus 0 is 1, so we have 16 hours 107 minutes. But then we want our minutes to be less than 60. So what we do, we just subtract 60 minutes here and then add an hour this side. So we subtract 60 from 107, we get 47. So 107 minus 60, as you can confirm, is 7 minus 0, 7. 10 minus 6 is 47. So cleaning that up, we have 47 on the side of the minutes, and then 1 plus 16, that's 17. So our event is going to end at 17:47. And then we are done. Now let's subtract time. So we are told that a flight leaves Gaborone at 09:33 hours and it arrives in Paris at 17:22 hours. So how long did the flight take? So to find the duration of the flight, what we just do is subtract the time at which the flight departed from the time when it arrived. So it arrived at 17:22, and then we subtract with 09:33. So 22 is clearly less than 33. So what we do is we take an hour from 17 and we're left with 16. But then when we add the hour this side, because we know that 1 hour is 60 minutes, we add 60. So let me clean that up. I have 16 hours. 60 plus 22 is 82. 16 hours 82 minutes minus 09:33, and then I subtract 2 minus 3. Well, we'll have to take over 1 from 8, and I'm left with 7. So 12 minus 3 is 9. 7 minus 3 is 4, and then 16 minus 9 is 7. So our flight lasted, it took 7 hours 49 minutes. So that is our final answer. So let's look at a few exam questions. This one is from the BGCSE Math Paper 1, October, November 2012. So we are told that a videotape can record programs up to 135 minutes. A program that lasts 55 minutes is recorded on the tape. So how much time in hours and minutes is left on the tape after the recording? So this is just a matter of subtraction. We subtract 55 from 135. So the capacity is 135, and then we take away 55 that is already recorded. So 5 minus 5, 0. 3 is smaller than 5, so we have to subtract 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. Yeah, that's 8. So we have 80 minutes. But then our answer should be in hours and minutes. So what we do, using the fact that 1 hour is 60 minutes, we can realize that 80 minutes is just 60 minutes plus 20 minutes. So 80 minutes is 60 minutes plus 20 minutes, and this is 1 hour. So we have 1 hour 20 minutes, and this is our final answer. And then example 2 from the 2013 paper 1. The table below shows a study session timetable. We are shown the times, session 1, session 2, and session 3. And then the finished time of session 3 is left as a blank. So A says, what is the total number of minutes in both session 1 and session 2? So to find the duration, we just subtract. So for session 1, it's clearly 45 minutes. This is clearly 45 minutes from 0700 to 0745. That's 45 minutes. And then, well, this one might not be clear. So for session 2 is 0830 minus 0745. So 30 is smaller than 45. We take an hour and it becomes 60 minutes when it gets this side. So we're essentially subtracting 0790. 60 plus 30 is 90. We're subtracting with 0745, and here it's much more clear. We have 45 minutes. 90 minus 45 is 45 minutes. So what's the total number of minutes in both session 1 and session 2? So session 1 plus session 2 in terms of minutes is just 45 minutes plus 45 minutes. You add that up, you must get 90 minutes. So our answer is 90 minutes. And then the second question says, session 3 takes 55 minutes. At what time will it end? Well, we add 55 minutes to 0830. So we do that, then we get 0 plus 5 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 0 is 8. So this must be less than 60. So we subtract 60 and add the 1 here. So minus 60 minutes, and then we add the 1 here. So we do that, we get 85 minus 60 is 25. So we get 25, 8 plus 1, 09, 25. So it will end at 09, 25.